Right. Good evening, everyone. So here today's topic is increasing opportunity cost. Right. We studied constant opportunity cost in last week. Right. What was the constant opportunity cost? If we remind the definition, when the production of one good, when the production of one good increased by similar quantity, increased by similar quantity, සමාන ඒකක වලින් වැඩි කරද්දී. Right, similar quantity. The foregone amount, right? The foregone amount from the other good. The foregone amount, that means sacrifice, right? Foregone means sacrificed. සමාන පද මතක තියාගන්න. Foregone or sacrificed amount from other goods. Other good remain constant. Lamai, the opportunity cost mean the foregone or sacrificed amount, right? What does opportunity cost mean? It is the sacrificed amount, right? So in constant opportunity cost, the foregone amount remain constant. That's the thing. Foregone amount from the other good remain constant, right? So here there are few features. When it comes to opportunity cost, constant opportunity cost, here the topic is constant opportunity cost. What are the features? The production possibility curve will be a straight line, right? PPC is a straight line. Marginal opportunity cost remain constant. Marginal opportunity cost, or it represents slope of the PPC. Slope of the PPC remain constant. Both remain constant. What were the reasons, right? And the reasons for this situation, were, right? We discussed this in last week. What was the reasons? If we remind quickly, there were three reasons. First one, perfect substitutable resources. Perfect substitutable resources, right? Second one, homogeneous resources, right? Second one, homogeneous resources. What does homogeneous mean? Homogeneous mean එක හා සමාන, perfectly ideal, right? Here perfectly substitutable, here ideal resources. And the third reason is, what is the third reason? It is technology. There are two goods, no? Here X good, or whatever the good can be two goods, right? No need to exactly be the X and Y. It may be whatever the two goods, right? So here two goods are, when it comes to production of two goods, the technology for both, technology utilized to produce both goods remain constant. Technology is same. same, right? Those are the three reasons for constant opportunity cost. This was identified in last week. Today, I'm going to discuss about increasing opportunity cost. Increasing opportunity cost. Here, constant opportunity cost. I take another page. Right. Here, constant, not constant, increasing opportunity cost. When it comes to increasing opportunity cost, what are the changes that we can see from constant opportunity cost, right? Constant opportunity cost is comma change, right? Here, when it comes to increasing opportunity cost, මම මෙතනින්ම කියලා දෙන්න. ඒතර ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මතක තියාගන්න ලීසි. Right? When it comes to increasing opportunity cost, when the production of one good increase by similar quantity, it is same, right? There's no any change. The foregone, that is the point. That is the opportunity cost. The foregone or sacrificed amount, foregone or sacrificed amount from other good remain here, not remain constant. Here it is getting increased because it is increasing opportunity cost. So now what happened to the opportunity cost? It getting increased. So here not remain constant. Instead of remain constant, we can substitute gradually increasing. Gradually remain වැඩි වෙනවා. Gradually increasing. Right? Gradually increasing. දැන් මොක මේ මං ෆිසිකල් ක්ලාස් එක කරද්දි ඒ ළමයින්ට මං කිව්වා මේක මේ ක්‍රමක්‍රමයෙන් වැඩි වෙනවා කියලා. ඒ කියන්නේ ක්‍රමයෙන් ළමයි වැඩි වෙන්නේ ඒක ක්‍රමක්‍රමයෙන් කියලා සිංහලෙන් කියනවනේ. ඉතින් එතකොට මේ ළමයි කියනවා සර් එහෙනම් ක්‍රමක්‍රමයෙන් නම් gradually කියන එක වැරදි නේද කියලා. මං වෙයි කියලා. ඒතර ඒ ළමයි කියනවා නෑ සර් gradually කියන්නේ ක්‍රමයෙන්නේ. මේ ක්‍රමක්‍රමයෙන් කියන එක කියන්නේ gradually නෙමෙයිද කියලා. Right? නෑ gradually නෙමෙයි ළමයි. It is gradually increasing, right? Not gradually. ක්‍රමක්‍රමයෙන් කියන එක ඒ විදිහට අපිට ඉංග්‍රීසි වලට translate කරන්න හැකියාවක් නෑ gradually කියලා. Anyway, that's wrong. It is gradually increasing, right? Not gradually. Right. So here, so you can keep in mind the same definition for both increasing and constant opportunity cost. Only one thing change here. When the production of one good increase by similar quantity, the foregone or sacrificed amount from other good are here gradually increasing, right? So that is the increasing opportunity cost. Now, opportunity cost will here, previously when it comes to constant opportunity cost, it was a straight line, or we call it linear curve. A straight line or linear curve mean sarala rekawak. But when it comes to increasing opportunity cost, it is, we know, we identified it earlier, it is concave to the origin. Concave to the origin. What does concave to the origin mean? Concave to the origin mean here, if you look at from the origin here, this is the origin. So if you look at from this point, right, maybe in ehana, we have looking from the origin. So it is concave. Origin concave. So this is the shape of increasing opportunity cost, right? So that's why I corrected previous one like this, because straight line was for the constant opportunity cost. For the increasing opportunity cost, it is concave to the origin, right? This is the shape. Right. So here, what will happen? marginal opportunity cost equal to slope of the PPC not remain constant. Because now we know constant, it was remain constant at which opportunity cost? Constant opportunity cost. Now it is increasing opportunity cost. So here gradually increasing, right? Reasons. And now we'll adjust the reason for increasing opportunity cost from previous situation. Now, previously perfect substitutable resources, here different resources, right? Or not, the resources are not perfectly substitutable. Here, not perfectly substitutable resources, right? That was the reason for increasing opportunity cost. Previously, it was constant opportunity cost because it was perfect substitutable resources. Now, it was changed. It is not perfect substitutable resources, right? Previously, homogeneous resources. Now, not homogeneous. We call it heterogeneous. We can say not homogeneous. Similarly, we can say heterogeneous. Heterogeneous. එකිනෙකට වෙනස්. Right? Different. Technology is same for the both production. Here, technology is different for the both production. Different to each other. Right? Those are the reasons for increasing opportunity cost. Right? මම ඒක වෙනම ලිව්වේ නෑ. ඒක මම වෙනස් කළා constant opportunity cost එක. මේ කියන්නේ ළමයි, we'll take an example. Here when it comes to rice and clothing. First one, we'll take the reasons. First one, the resources are not perfectly substitutable, right? That means the resources utilized for the clothing, machinery, building cannot be perfectly substitutable for the production of rice. Lamai harine. Redda mahanna ganna machinery, building, labors, can we apply them for the when it comes to production rice? No, we can't apply them. So that what it is mean, differentiated or heterogeneous production resources as well as not perfectly substitutable. Right here, it was the first point. The resources are not perfectly substitutable. Right? That means, let's take a machine that we take for the cloth production, right? Juki machine එකක් ගමුකෝ. So that Juki machine, you can't utilize it for the rice production. ළමයි rice වලට ඒක ගන්න බෑ. Right? Rice වලට යන්නේ වෙනම machinery. You can't, if you can put it for the clothing production, you can't put it for the rice production. That means resources are not perfectly substitutable. And the second one, having a පළවෙනි එක තේරුණානේ. Juki machine එක ඒ විදිහටම අපිට rice production එකට ගන්න බෑ. That was the first reason. Second reason, resources are not homogeneous. Resources are not homogeneous. right? That means resources are heterogeneous. ඔක්කොම එක වගේ නෑ. That means අපි ගමු a labor we utilize for clothing industry. Machine operators ලා ඉන්නේ. Machine operators ලා garments වල අපිට රටට foreign currency ගේන්න උදව් කරන අක්කල නංගිලා. Machine operators. අක්කල නංගිලා එන්ටිලා නැන්දලා මාමලා ගොඩක් අය ඉන්නවා ඉතින්. Machine operators are not equally efficient as farmers. My farmer is doing totally different work when it comes to with compared to machine operator, right? Those are not homogeneous. Farm. The efficiency and productivity can be changed. First one, they are not perfectly substitutable. And the second one, here, resources are not homogeneous, they are differentiated. Not homogeneous mean differentiate, different to each other. Right? Machine operator is totally different from a farmer. That's the second one. And the third one. And the third one is when it comes to clothing, technology we utilize for clothing. Clothing technology, right? Clothing technology is not similar to rice production, rice technology. Right? Those are totally different. Those were the three reasons when it comes to increasing opportunity cost, right? Those are simple. No need to worry about keep in mind, right? It is simple because when it comes to constant opportunity cost, homogeneous resources, perfectly substitutable resources, technology is similar. When it comes to increasing opportunity cost, homogeneous become heterogeneous resources, perfectly substitutable resources become not perfectly substitutable resources, and technology is different to each other, right? Easy peasy, right? So here we'll now go for the tutorial, right? Look at the tutorial. Right, here you go. Increasing opportunity cost. Right, look at the tutorial here. On the PPC, production of one good increased by similar quantities. The production of other goods sacrificed in increasing gradually. The increasing amount getting, the sacrifice amount getting increasing gradually, not gradually, right? In other words, on PPC, when one good is increased by equal quantities, one good is increased by equal quantities, output sacrifice from the other good gradually increases, right? Output sacrifice from the other goods gradually increases. Those are same definitions. So just keep in mind only one, no need to memorize both definition. Therefore, in this PPC model, slope of the curve, right? Slope of the curve, marginal opportunity cost rises. Here, marginal opportunity cost or slope getting increased. Those are the things to keep in your mind because they are frequently checked in them when it comes to MCQ. The shape become concave to the origin. The PPC shape become concave to the origin, right? Next one, reasons. Here, reasons. What are the reasons? There are three reasons for that. First one, production resources are not homogeneous. Not homogeneous mean they are heterogeneous. එකිනෙකට වෙනස්. එකිනෙකට වෙනස්. Quality and productivity is vary with each resources. Resource එකෙන් resource එකට quality එක productivity එක මාරු වෙනවා. Next one, production resources are not perfectly substitutable. එකක් වෙනුවට තව එකක් perfectly substitute කරන්න බෑ. Right? Land, labor, capital are in different efficiency level. Different efficiency level. And next one, production technology is different to each production. Technology is different to each production, right? So those are the reasons for increasing opportunity cost. Next one, opportunity cost of increasing good X. We'll see what is the opportunity cost of increasing good X. Balu. Here, when it comes to here, as you can see, the Y production getting increased by 1 unit at each point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The foregone Y units, right? X production is getting increased by Y unit. We'll see what happened to the production of Y. මොකද වෙන්නේ Y production එකට? We'll see. Y production here. Initially, when first good increase by X unit, පළවෙනි good එක වැඩි වෙද්දී X වල ඕගොල්ලන්ට පේනවා Y එකෙන් කීයක් අඩු වෙලා තියෙනවද? 20 become 18, දෙකක් අඩු වෙලා, right? So here opportunity cost can be find out using the formula. What is the formula here? The formula should be ළමයි හැම වෙලේම උඩට එන්න ඕනේ. ඒ කියන්නේ numerator එක වෙන්නේ sacrifice කරන good එක. So here sacrifice good එක අඩු වෙන good එක තමයි y. හැම වෙලේම යටට එන්නේ වැඩි වෙන good එක. So it is x. Delta y divided by delta x. First one. In first one we can't see any incremental or reduction because හැම වෙලේම ළමයි delta එකක් ගන්න නම් අඩුම variables දෙකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒ හින්දා b එකේ ඉඳන් තමයි අපිට යන්න වෙන්නේ. පළවෙනි එකට නිකම්ම bar එකක් නිකන් ඉරක් අපි dash එකක් දාමු. දෙවෙනි එකට when it comes to A to B, good X increased by 1 unit and as a result of that 20 become 18. That means 2 units of Y will become reduced. That is the opportunity cost. That is the marginal opportunity cost of X production. Then next one, when it comes to next one, 1 become 2. 1 become 2 and 18 become 15. 18 become 15 means it is getting reduced by 3 units. 3 Y units. 3 Y units. Three Y units. Initially 2 Y units. Now it is 3 Y unit. And then when X production increased by 2 to 3 by 1 more unit, here always it is getting increased by similar amount, right? 2 to 3 by 1 unit, 1 to 2 by 1 unit, 2 to 3 also by 1 unit. When it is comes to 2 to 3, 15 become 11. That means sacrifice amount will increase up to 4 units, 4 Y units. Right? Next one, 3 to 4. Again, good X production increased by 1 unit. Foregone amount will be 11 become 6. That means totally 5 Y units. And again, 4 become 5. It is getting increasing. So here 6 become 0. That means when good X production increasing 4 to 5 by 1 unit, the foregone amount will 6 become 0. That is 6 Y units. So this is the opportunity cost table. As you can see here, opportunity, what happened to opportunity cost? It is getting increased 2y, 3y, 4y, 5y, 6y. So now you can simply draw the PPC. Will draw with me, right? Mathematic කට්ටියම right? We'll see the tutor here. Right here. We'll look at the graph. The graph was given for you. Three, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. And here, what is the foregone amount? It is which good? Here, y goods, right? Here, increasing amount 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here x units or x goods, doesn't matter. Right, so we'll see the table. You have to draw the curve according to table. 0, when x production is 0, total y is 20. So you can put it in on where? On here. 18, 19, 20, 21. So here is the 20. Right? Then 1 and 18. 1 from here, 18 from here. Right? Here. Next one, 2 and 15. 2 and 15. And then 3 and 11. 3 and 11 is here, right? 10, 11. Four and 6. Five and 0 here. So now you can see, right? Now you can see the graph behave as a curved so here there's a small change, right? The curve behave like this. It is concave to the origin, right? Concave. It is concave to the origin. This is the graph. Here, concave to the origin. This is what? PPC. Right. So you can draw it now by yourself because I draw it. Now you saw how to draw. Next one. Right here. When production X is increased, production X is increased, opportunity cost of X is rises. Opportunity cost of X is getting rises. Right. So that is about the increasing opportunity cost. Right.